Hey guys, welcome back to ShellTech. Sheldon here again. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right down below. It really helps out the channel. Today we're going to take a look at wireless earbuds. This is the Creative Outlier version 2 wireless earbuds. This mid-priced earbuds, which run between $50 and $80, could be the budget answer to somebody who doesn't want to spend the price of iPods or Samsung Galaxy earbuds. So let's unbox, set up, and test the Creative Outlier version 2 wireless earbuds. Looking at the Creative Outlier Air version 2, a follow-up and updated version of their best-selling Creative Outlier, some of the specs of Creative's newest IPX5 water-resistant sweatproof earbuds is its intuitive touch controls, new mics with Qualcomm technology for improved call quality, they are Super X-Fi ready for enhanced listening experience, and they boast ultra-long battery life. So opening up the magnetic sealed premium white box of the Outlier Airs, we have some quick getting started instructions on the left side, and on the right side is the Creative Outlier Air V2s in midnight blue. First we have a charging and storage case, then we have two wireless in-ear headphones themselves. Under the charger and earbuds is a short USB charging cable, extra ear tips, instructions for the Super X5 features and app, and then the user manual and a quick start guide for the Outlier V2s. Now taking a closer look at the Creative Outlier 450 mAh charging case itself, which provides about 34 hours battery life and provides 12 hours of playtime to the earbuds on a single charge. So it should provide a ton of music playback between charges. To fully charge is between 1 and 2 hours, but when the earbuds are not in use, they automatically start charging when they're put back in the case. The charging case LEDs glow red when charging, green when optimally charged, greater than 90%, and turns off when fully charged. A USB-C cable is used to charge the case. Nice to see the latest USB is provided with these earbuds. Speaking about the Outlier Air V2 earbuds, the wireless range is about 10 meters or 33 feet with 5.6mm graphene drivers. The headphones are upgraded with intuitive touch controls so you don't have to reach for your phone to change your settings. Different size soft silicone ear tips are also included for different ear sizes so you get a proper and comfortable fit for the best listening experience. Now following the startup instructions on the inside of the box, the Outlier Air version 2 for best performance should be fully charged. When charging, the LED on the case will give the status of the earbuds inside. The earbuds themselves will light up red when charging, green at optimum charge, and off when fully charged. Connecting to Bluetooth is a breeze using the updated 5.0 standard, and first time pairing is accomplished by removing the left earbud followed by the right earbud from the case. Then turning on the Bluetooth on the phone, tapping the left earbud's name on the screen to pair, the right earbud will ask to pair on the phone right after. Both earbuds will automatically connect to each other and you're good to go. These headphones are also able to use the Super X-Fi app, which will provide processing technology for local audio and music. Touch controls are sensitive and responsive. For music, 2 taps will either play or pause. Tapping the left bud 3 times will skip to the previous track, and tapping the right bud 3 times will get you to the next track. You can use Siri or Google Assistants when music is paused by tapping any side 3 times, and holding down the left bud will adjust volume down. Holding the right bud will adjust volume up. Also, holding either side for 6 seconds will put the Outlier Airs version 2 into Bluetooth pairing mode. And for last resort, if you're having any major problem with pairing failure, random LED blinking, or any other unresponsive action, you can master reset by pressing down the charging prongs in the case for 8 seconds to reset all data. For phone calls, the Outlier Air has a built-in mic using Qualcomm technology that allows for better voice pickup and dual voice calls. So to answer and hang up calls, you press either side 2 times, or you can hold an earbud 3 seconds to reject an incoming call. Also, pressing and holding either side will adjust the volume either up or down. When I used these earbuds for phone calls I received or made, I found it very clear. I had no problem being heard or hearing the other person on the line. I was quite surprised about how well these buds picked up my voice so far from my mouth. I think these wireless earbuds are a great option for people not willing to spend the price of AirPods, Samsung Buds, or other high-priced headphones. Whether using these at the gym, at work, jogging, or anywhere else, the Outlier Air version 2 should perform great. For someone like me who seems to not be able to find an earbuds that fit my ears well, I'm very surprised these buds felt actually comfortable, but also stayed inside my ear without too much adjustment. Some pros with these earbuds are its sweatproof and waterproof ability. So it's perfect for the gym. Its charging case is high-end and is perfect for carrying in the pocket. And I really enjoyed the sound of the music playing through these headphones. The bass was punchy and the treble voice was really clear. And these earbuds actually do get very loud, so you have to be careful about using them at very high volumes. A couple things that could be improved or changed: a longer charging cord, of course. I know it's meant to sit on a desk, but a longer cord would allow you to reach your wall outlets easier if not using a computer or a USB hub. Also, maybe more color choices. Some people may want a larger choice. Another thought is maybe a carry strap on the charging case. All in all, these things are pretty minor. So that was my look at the Creative Outlier Air version 2 wireless earbuds. A good mid-priced headphones that deliver on music delivery and phone call convenience. As always, I will leave links if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. Any comments or questions about these buds, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my review on another Creative product, the Creative E2900 Bluetooth speakers right here. Thanks for watching.